Hello and welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how you can crochet this very simple band. The bands you can use like back handle or like keychain. And in this video I will show you how you can crochet this band without or with components. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. Today I will crochet with cotton yarn. This is Katania from Schachenmeier, but if you want you can use any yarn. We need matching crochet hook. I use 2.5 millimeter, scissors and sewing needle. As a first I will show you how to crochet without components. I start with the magic ring. And crochet first row, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the ring, and 2, chain 1, and 3 double crochet in the ring. Two and 3. Now chain 3, pull this yarn and close the ring, turn to the left, and here in the middle I crochet 3 double crochet, and 3, chain 1, and again 3 double crochet. And 3. And finish row with the triple crochet in this hole. Yarn over 2 times, pull yarn, and through 2 loops, through 2, and through 2. Next row, chain 3, turn to the left, and again in the middle, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet. And finish row with the triple crochet in this hole. And again chain 3, turn to the left, and 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. So you can crochet so many rows how many you want. I crocheted few rows, for this video is enough, and it's good if you finish it work so that your starting yarn is here on the right side and last stitch here on the left side. And I finish work here only with the double crochet, not triple crochet. Now cut yarn and pull yarn. Now turn this work so. Here is the starting yarn, and I start with the second color here in the magic ring. Pull yarn, and this yarn stay in the middle, and I start in this hole and crochet 3 single crochet. And 3. In the next hole, the same 3 single crochet. You can cut this yarn and repeat 3 single crochet in every hole. 3 single crochet in the last hole and 3. This yarn stay in the middle and I crochet 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. Here in the middle 2 single crochet. Continue 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. Cut this yarn and 3 single crochet in every hole to the here. In this last hole 3 single crochet, and in the magic ring the last single crochet, cut yarn and I will sew the last stitch. In this first stitch from the front to the back through both loops, and in the last stitch only in the back loop, and sew both yarn ends on the back side. Now looks like this. Now I will show you how to crochet in the components. I put this one and I start in this hole, grab yarn and pull yarn. This yarn stay in the middle and I crochet chain 2, 2 double crochet in the ring, and 2, chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the ring or in the hole. It's the same like in the magic ring. And 3, and second row chain 3, in the middle 3 double crochet, and 3 chain 1, and again 3 double crochet. And finish row with the triple crochet in this hole, and again chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. It's the same. For this video is my last row and finish work so that your starting yarn is on the right side, and here I crochet only double crochet. Cut yarn and pull yarn, and now turn to the left and I start here. I put the second color, grab this yarn. This yarn stay in the middle and crochet In this first hole 3 single crochet, in the next hole 3 single crochet, and this repeat to the here 1 single crochet in every stitches, and I see you here. 3 single crochet in the last hole, cut this yarn, and I sew the last stitch again in the ring to the front in this last stitch, and one more time to the front in the last stitch. And now looks like this side. Sew yarn on the back side. And that was all for today. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.